Guys, a new airdrop just launched, and this very airdrop is called Fatty Airdrop. Now, if you're one of those people that is worried because each time you join an airdrop, you get to see that people that get rewarded the most are people that have high referrals, then this video is for you. In fact, this airdrop is meant for you because this very airdrop rewards most active participants. From my research and calculation, only those who have thousands of referrals stand a chance to beat those who are active. Now, what is this Fatty Airdrop and how do you get started? First off, I want to say that Fatty Airdrop comes from FatBot, okay, which is a trading bot for crypto. In fact, they call it the most advanced 2.0 sniping and trading bot, which is developed by Cleveox.com. Right, but these guys just released their custom gamified Fatty Airdrop platform, which is currently live a few days ago, less than a week as the time of creating this very video. Now, this airdrop is all about hunting, right? Hunting for cards that would increase your XP. You get rewarded with XP, and this XP would be converted to Fatty tokens when the airdrop is at the end stage, okay, or at the TGE stage. Now, the amount of Fatty tokens you get depends on how many XP you get, and like I said before, this very airdrop rewards the most active users. Okay, you can get as much token as someone who got 1000 referrals will get if you are active, right? So this is what you need to know. Now, how do you get to join this very airdrop? Because this airdrop just launched and they say early bird reap the highest fruit. So to join this very airdrop now, what you have to do is to check the description of this very video and you see a link, Fatty Airdrop link. Just click on that very link and it will lead you to your browser. Now, once you click on that link, you would arrive at a page that looks exactly like this, right? So what you're meant to do right now is to enter your email address right there and your password. Please, your working email address, do not generate a random email address from the internet or something, right? So you enter your email address right here. Let me just quickly enter mine right now. So once you enter your email address, you enter your password. Okay, make sure you are on the sign up screen, which is right here and not in the login section, right? So click on the sign up right here and then enter your email address and enter your password. So once you're done entering your email address and password, you go ahead and click on sign up right now. So I'm just going to save this to Google right now. And you can see, thanks for signing up. A confirmation has been sent to your email. Please follow the provided instruction to finish setting up your account. So we're going to head over to our email right now and follow that confirmation email. On my notification here, the email is right here. I'm just going to click on it and this will lead me directly to this very email. But if you don't get notifications, it's best to go to your Gmail and open that up in the particular email you use. I'm going to click on verify my email right now. And this will lead us to our Chrome browser and you can see verification successful. Your account has been set up successfully. Click the link below to sign in. I'm going to click on login right now, and right here what you want to do is enter your email address and password. But first, we are in the email section of Fatty, so I'm just going to click on this arrow up here and say open in Chrome browser or open in any browser of your choice. So I'm just going to do this right now, and this is going to lead us to Chrome. Okay, so we don't X out of it halfway. So I'm just going to enter that very email I entered again and then enter my password again. So once you're done doing that, you go ahead and click on login. As you can see, the sign up process is really easy, right? No stress. So right here you can see welcome to Fatty Airdrop. Now complete tasks, open surprise cards and collect SP to win a Fatty Airdrop. So I'm going to say continue so you can see what this airdrop talks about. So if you complete tasks, you earn XP, right? You follow, you post, you connect or you trade. Every action earns you XP and you get closer to a bigger airdrop. So let's click on continue right now. Now another thing you need to know is that each card holds surprise XP, right? From common to epic jackpots, the rarer the card, the bigger your boost. Okay, so the rarer the card you get, the bigger your XP. So let's click on continue right now. So you see, claim reward, the more XP you stack, the more Fatty tokens you earn at the end, right? So play smart and go big, cash out. So let's click on get started right now, and you can see there is a daily streak. Now please take note, this daily streak is where the major source is. It's just like a cumulative effort that rewards you every day, right? Now if you stay active, your points tend to increase every day. So the more active you are, the more days you don't miss, the more tokens you get. But if you miss a day, I believe it will go back to day one. Okay, so make sure you don't miss a day. Always come back here and continue this daily streak. So it says keep logging in daily to keep your streak and earn rewards. Longer streak means bigger rewards. You miss a day and it resets. So please take note of this. So let's click on continue right now. And you can see congrats, task completed. You have earned 1 card. Now for signing up with my invite link, you earn 1 card, right? So let's click on continue right now. So let's go over to the dashboard right now. So this is how the Fatty Airdrop page looks like, right? I'm currently on desktop mode, which you can see right here. So please activate yours to be on desktop mode if it's not on desktop mode. But I believe the airdrop system would automatically set it to desktop mode, but if it doesn't, please do that immediately. So yes, so this is what you need to know right now. Over here you can see your progress and your daily login streak. Right now you can come over to the claim cards section right here, click on claim cards, and this would show you the cards you've earned. You earn 1 card for inviting people. You can earn up to 1 to 5 cards for inviting people depending on how your level is, okay, your daily streak. These are the cards you can get over here. You can see the epic jackpot card is the highest card with 100,000 XP, and you can get this if you are active. Right, if you move from I think day 1 to 100 active daily login streak, you can get this 100,000 XP card, which will later be converted to Fatty tokens. Okay, so the more you maintain your streak, the more your card gift increases. So these are different kind of cards right here, starting from the common gold to the uncommon gold to rare cards to legendary to mythical card, and the last one, which is the epic jackpot. So remember, we got a card for using an invitation link, right? So let's click on review right here to review that very card. So this is going to review this very card right now, guys. This is a solid project and it's something I wouldn't want you to miss, right? So you can see right here I just got 100 XP because I got the uncommon find, so it's not bad, right? So let's keep going. I'm going to click on continue right now. So let's go back to the home section again, and the next section right here we're going to look into is the daily tasks section, right? So the daily tasks is where you get to see tasks you can complete to earn XP. You can see this right here says visit fatty.io website right here. So if we click on this right now and perform this very task, we're going to earn 10 XP. So let's click on this very task right now, okay, and we're going to say visit link. Right, I just want to show you how to perform this task. So this is fatty.io site, which is the snipe bolt site. So if you visit this site, what you want to do is to just scroll around, scroll from top to bottom. I would really advise you to do that. Just check out the site. It won't take you up to 2 minutes. Just do that so that the system will know that you actually visited and interacted with this very site. Then you can now click back just once and you can say continue, right? And you can see task submitted for review. Now you just want to confirm if you actually visited the site. Now that very task is now faded, meaning you participated in this, and this yellow icon you see right here indicates that it's currently in review. Now each one that is currently in review will take about anywhere between a few minutes to 24 hours to confirm, because they are human reviewers who will check if you actually perform these very tasks, right? So you can see you can visit moonlabs5.com, which is a website. You can visit Runwago, just follow the same process, and that's how it works. So over here you can invite your friends. Okay, if you want to invite people, you can invite and get reward for this, right? Now if you decide to go with the route of inviting people, you need to know that there are tasks you can complete for that, and those tasks can earn you about 260 cards and over 20,000 XP, right? Because if you complete those tasks for inviting friends, there's a reward that is given to you if you invite 10 friends, 100 friends, and even 1,000 friends. Okay, so when you claim those rewards, which is in the task section, you would earn about somewhere around 260 cards and about 20,000 XP, right? So inviting people also helps, right? But staying active is the most important thing and the best for the airdrop. Okay, so this is the latest news section, which is also a tax section, right? Now this is more basic tasks which would earn you more reward. You can see connecting your Discord account right here would earn you about 100 XP. Now if you want to also participate in other tasks, you can see you can connect your FatBot account. Now I want to say something. If you already have a FatBot account and you haven't signed up for this airdrop yet, make sure you use the same email address you use for your FatBot account to sign up for this very airdrop, so that the system will automatically sync your FatBot account and this Fatty Airdrop together, right? The FatBot account I'm talking about is the trading or sniping account, right? So just use the same email so that your account would sync seamlessly. So these are tasks you are meant to complete. Now this is basically what you need to know about this airdrop at the moment, right? If I go to the task section at the top right here, let's click on task right now. Now we have the to-do tasks. First off, you have to complete a task before the next unlocks. If you don't complete this Twitter task right here, the next would not unlock. You can see it's locked, so you have to complete one to get the next. Okay, so this is basically how this works. So we have the Discord tax also and the Moonlab 5 tax, and if you want to check tasks you've completed, you can click on completed right here and you get to see tasks you have completed. So this is basically how this airdrop works. So guys, join this right now while it's still early. I'm out on my way to get airdrops you can participate in without having to do much, but like always, airdrops tend to reward those who put in more effort. So if you can invite people, please do, but if you can't, try as much as possible to stay active, and I believe you get something out of this. Just like I said before, you get rewards for inviting people. This is what you get for 10 invites right here, and this is what you get for 50 invites, 100 invites, 500 invites, and 1000 invites. So this is basically, guys, I hope this video is very understandable. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like right now and drop a beautiful comment in the comment section. I really appreciate it. It goes a long way in growing this very channel, right? Now if you want to stay updated, I would advise you to join our social media handle, which you can find in the description of this very video, right? Join us so you stay updated, because I post more update there before I even get the chance to create a video. Also subscribe if you don't want to miss out on airdrops like this, so that whenever I post them, you'll be one of the first to get notified. I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe.